Hello, my name is Joe Farley, founder of Friends of Fathers. First, I want to thank you for taking the time to learn more about Friends of Fathers. If you are watching this video, there is a good chance you are dealing with a situation involving child support, back child support, custody, parenting time, or another family court matter. You may have questions, you may be frustrated, or you may simply be looking for direction. That is exactly why Friends of Fathers exists. Friends of Fathers is an organization dedicated to helping men and fathers better understand their situations and make informed decisions moving forward. For years, we have worked with fathers from all walks of life. Some fathers are trying to see their children more often. Some are struggling with child support or arrears. Others are trying to understand custody, parenting time, or friend of the court procedures. Many fathers come to us because they simply don't know where to start. One thing we see over and over again is confusion. Many fathers don't know what options may be available to them. They don't know what forms they need. They don't know what steps to take. And because of that, they often delay taking action. The longer a situation goes unresolved, the more difficult it can become. That is why gaining clarity is so important. Friends of Fathers provides educational workshops, guidance, informational resources, and support services designed to help fathers better understand their situations. Some of the topics we regularly discuss include child support, back child support arrears, custody, parenting time, friend of the court matters, and family court procedures. Our goal is not to tell you what decision to make. Our goal is to help you better understand your situation so you can make informed decisions moving forward. One of the best ways to get started is through our Friends of Fathers webinar workshop. During the webinar, we discuss common issues fathers face and provide guidance that can help you better understand your own situation. You also have the opportunity to hear directly from our team and learn about additional resources that may be available to you. For many fathers, the webinar is the first step toward gaining clarity and creating a plan moving forward. If you are ready to learn more about your situation and better understand your options, I encourage you to register for our upcoming webinar workshop, Take the Next Step. Click the button below to reserve your seat. Thank you again for connecting with Friends of Fathers. We look forward to serving you, Friends of Fathers, strengthening men, empowering fathers.